Today we are going to make shrimp biryani with Spicytude biryani spice kit. We'll start with slicing red onion, white onion, tomato, cilantro, mint. We are going to heat some oil and fry the onions until they are golden brown and crispy. Once they are done, we are going to drain the excess oil and set them aside. Place the pot over medium heat, add some oil, whole spices from the spice kit and then onion and let it cook. Add the saffron to the warm milk and let it soak. Add tomatoes to the pot and the ground spices from the kit. Then add ginger, garlic, green chillies and some ghee. Give it a stir and cook until the tomatoes are soft. Add rice, water, whole spices, coconut milk and salt to a pot and bring it to boil. Wait for 5-6 minutes and then strain the water. Add the shrimp to the tomatoes and let it cook for 2 minutes with the lid on. To layer the biryani, add fried onions, cilantro, mint and then the rice and add the leftover onion, mint, cilantro, ghee, saffron milk and lime juice on the top. Cover it with aluminium foil and then the lid. Put the pot on a wide bottom pan, cook for 30 minutes and the biryani is ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching.